Oh, you just click play. Oh yes. It's a new funny Morse golf bells. But they have funny moments. They can get angry for this. They also can get scared beating up a guy with stars. Killing a cat for no reason. Finding a love of Valentine's Day. We are the fans of Good to People! Yay! Hey Belle, what's that on your hand? That's called a sound effect. Can I have it please? No. Huh? I'm already bored, Belle, and I want that thing, please. I am not gonna give it to you, sorry. What the heck? Ah, fine. You're cringe. I am not cringe. Dad! Man, well,
With Slash
has been bored with that game. Oh, at least he is not gonna throw a tantrum. Oh, ah, oh, 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 ah! Oh, Bell with Slush! What, Bell? Can't you see I fall from the public library? Because of your nonsense. You have to be quiet. Frack! Bruh, you dude. Then I have cancer. He's now for yours. Just headed to the side to the morning of the things they gonna fur. Because you've went into the bell section. When you change hour, it's completely bad. You punch it and it changes bad. You really think about, you shouted really hard. The worst is useless best ever! Cause you've went to the supper when you can be friends or not. The end will be useless.